In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the Google Drive application on an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. All we have to do is find the App Store on the iOS. So I'm using the latest iOS version, but whatever iPhone you're using, you still be able to find this App Store. And if not, you can just swipe towards right until you see the app library and you will write App Store from here. And you will find it like this. Now on the bottom there is a search button. You will just write here Drive and search for it, and you will get the Google applications here. So we click on Google Drive and next to it is this Get option. Click on that. Now once it is downloaded, it will show us the open button. Click on that, click on sign in, and you can sign in with any of your existing account, and then you should be able to use the Google Drive on the iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.